Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start English translation of surah humaza. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Wailul likulli humaza. Woe to every slanderer and backbiter. Woe to every backbiting slanderer. Alladhi jama'a malan wa'addada. Who has gathered wealth and counted it. Who embraces wealth and counts it. يحسب أن ماله أخلده. Thinking his wealth will render him immortal. He thinks that his wealth will make him last forever. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. Nay, verily, he will be thrown into the crushing fire. By no means they shall be flung to the destroying flame. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْحُطَمَةُ. And what will make you know what is the crushing fire is? What the crushing fire is? Would that you knew what the destroying flame is. Narullah ilmukada. The fire of Allah kindled. It is Allah's own kindled fire. Allati tattaliu ala al-afida, which leaves up over the hearts, which will rise up to the hearts of men. Innaha alayhim musada. Verily it shall be closed upon them. It will close upon them from every side. Fi amadim mumaddada. In the pillars stretched forth, in towering columns. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim. Allah Almighty has said truth. I would like to draw your attention towards important aspect of the recite Quran